Hey everyone, Tom here to show you how you can start building better client relationships in just 5 simple steps. So step 1, what is it? Well, step 1 is always understanding, your starting point. So usually what that is your current client list. So whether that's in another CRM, maybe an Excel sheet, or even if it just contacts in your inbox, whatever it might be, getting that information right into Cloven. The great thing is that part of our service, we're going to do this for you. So it's not going to be a big burden for you. We can take that information, get it loaded up, so you have a great starting point. From there, once it's loaded up, step 2 is to start building out those profiles. So yes, it's a great starting point probably, but we want to take it to the next level. So what does that look like? It's about tracking their active policies and investments, saying, hey, who is this person in relationships with? So maybe it's Tom and he is the husband of someone else in your database. So creating those connections and those interdependencies so you know who is related to who. Even beyond that is just writing notes, giving context, that sort of thing. The great bonus here is that it really kind of builds that value of your book of business. When you have these kind of more sophisticated client profiles now, taking it to that final step, which is integrating with your GC, Office 365, whatever you're using to manage your business right now, Cloven can integrate with it. So emails, so all communication history with your clients can automatically show up on their profile. Contacts, so as you add new contacts in your email, it can show up as a profile in Cloven. And even calendars or meetings, so you can have that full history of everything you've ever done with all your clients. After that, it's really about taking advantage of that. So usually what we see is people using it to really interact with their team and be efficient with it. So instead of emails back and forth, now they have a centralized place to say, hey, if I need to do something related to Tom, I can use Tom's profile to do that. And the 2 most common tools with that are using notes, and actually you can tag your teammates in notes. So it really allows you to collaborate very quickly related to your clients. Or even tasks, right? A common we see is, hey, let's do the annual review for Tom. And you can create that as a task, maybe assign it to a teammate, and get that all within the system here, and everyone knows what the next steps are related to each of your clients. And then finally, once you get really good at Cloven, building out those profiles, understand your processes, it's about getting that on autopilot. So with Cloven's pre-built automations and our workflow builder, let's say you really like that annual review, but only for people with a certain net worth, well, we can get that on autopilot now. So now every single year for those particular clients, you or your teammate or whoever it is can get that task to set that up, and it can just be taken care of for you. And so that's really it. Those are those 5 steps going from where you're at now to kind of a dialed in client database in 5 simple steps, and we're going to be with you every step of the way. Looking forward to working from you, and bye for now.